FredoGhost includes some advanced features which can be revealed by clicking here on this link. So the dialog box now expands and shows additional functionality. We are going to review this functionality in this video. By the way, you may notice this icon allows to shrink the dialog box and basically use it as a toolbar and expand it. When you have several instances of the same component in the model, FredoGhost provides additional options. So here in this model, we have 9 chairs, which are all instances of the same chair component. So this chair, for example, is at the first level. These two are embedded into a group. I think these ones too. So if I select this chair, you see that you now have 3 options. You can either ghost only what is selected. You see that it's highlighted in gold. You can ghost all instances, and you can go ghost all instances except the one which are selected. So in the case you want to ghost either all or the others, you see that some of the instances are highlighted in plain gold and some others in dashed gold. So by default, FredoGhost assumes that you don't want to ghost the instances which are already ghosted. These are the case for these two chairs. Okay, this one, remember, is ghosted. So whether it is in real form or ghosted form, FredoGhost knows which instances are ghosted. Okay, so if, for example, I take this, although it is ghosted, it will still propose to ghost the others. This one is ghosted, so it will appear in dashed line. You can force FredoGhost to re-ghost already ghosted instances by, when you are on all or others, pressing shift down. So if you press shift down, you will ghost all already ghosted instances as well. Okay, so let's do that. Let's take a pink method. So if I press all without shift down, this is what I get. So these two instances already ghosted are preserved. If I press it with shift down, now all instances are ghosted. So these can be useful because the all and other works at any level. So if you, for example, select this chair and you press all, you see that these two instances which are in another context will be ghosted. When you ghost several instances of the same component, they will share the same ghost. So let's take these 3 shares, ghost them in pink. So these 3 chairs now share the same ghost. For example, if I remove this leg, it is removed from the all 3 chair. Same thing if I sub-ghost, let's say in green, I sub-ghost the chair, all 3 instances will share the modification. So this is a default behavior. However, you may not want to do that and assign a unique ghost to all instances to each instance of the component. So for this, you have the button Make Unique, in which if you select it, and now you ghost the free instances, they will have different ghosts. So if I remove it, the leg here, only this share is impacted. You can use the unique command later on. That is, let's say you have ghosted these three instances, so they share the same ghost. Now you want to change your mind and make this one unique. So you just click on unique, you have a button apply, so confirmation. Now this chair has a unique ghost. These two chairs still share the same ghost.